what's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Honey glazed ham.
And do you cook that?
No, my wife does.
So what's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
My favorite Thanksgiving food is the gravy.
The gravy?
Yeah, it goes over everything. You get all your fixings together and the gravy just goes all over the top.
Nice. Hi, Nathan. So what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
My grandma's beans. She makes great baked beans.
Awesome. What's your favorite food for Thanksgiving?
It'd be ham.
Do you cook it?
No. Usually my mom.
Oh, okay. What about you, Christian?
Turkey.
David, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
It's easy. I love turkey.
Turkey? Do you cook the turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I base it and then I cook it in the stove. You wrap it with a paper bag and you coat it with mayonnaise. It's a good crust on the outside.
Nice.
And that keeps it really juicy.
That sounds delicious. So what's your favorite Thanksgiving food, Bart?
My wife's mac and cheese. It's homemade and that stuff ain't craft.
Do you have a favorite Thanksgiving food?
Dark meat turkey, mashed potatoes and gravy, and pecan pie.
Oh, I love pecan pie. Are you cooking this year?
No.
Oh, who cooks?
Oh, my wife does the cooking on that. I can't wait till Christmas dinner though.
What do you do for Christmas dinner?
Christmas goose.
Ooh.
We do goose.